Hello, this is Marc Soler for Spotahome.com. I'm going to show you today an apartment in the zone of Benimaclet, very student zone, very close to with the tranvia to any university, and even by walk you can get there. It's a 5th floor without elevator and 4 rooms. So here we are, we're in the hall, main entrance. Let me put this properly. And then, okay, so this is the hall. And here we have the room number 1. It's people living right now in the flat, so we can just see this room. Yeah, it's big, and all the rooms of the house seem to be big. So go to the living room, big with 2 sofas. It has TV, table, storage. And for what I think it's the best of the flat, the balcony, terrace almost. Well, you see, they are living. And from here, today is a very cloudy day in Valencia, but usually it's super sun, and here in the morning, the light usually comes through there. So it's very lighty flat. And on the other side, it has windows as well, so I think in general, in a normal day, it would have a lot of light. So let's keep back to the living room. And from here you can see at the end another bathroom, the first bathroom, sorry. Here in the left we would have the room number 4. And we have here the bathroom and the kitchen. We go first to the bathroom. Bathroom. It has 2 bathrooms, so it's not bad. Well, 1 toilet and 1 bathroom. So here's the kitchen. As you can see, people is living now, so it's a bit messy. But well, it has everything you need. I mean, oven, washing machine, microwave over there. It's full of plates, full occupied. This is the internal patio. As I said, 5th floor, quite lighty at the end. So, well, that was it. Last look to everything. Go in at the end of the flat, and well, this is it. This was Marc Soler for Spotahome.com, Valencia. Thank you very much.